Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make $2, $1 to $2 on a daily basis using a site called PICOWORKERS.com. So kindly watch this video from the beginning to the end because I'm going to be showing you a cheat that you can use to get high paying jobs. If you don't know the cheat, you're actually not going to be earning much on the website. So kindly watch the video from the beginning of this video to the end of the video so you can learn how to make up to $2 on a daily basis. It is guaranteed. So before we get started, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon, and please kindly like this video. Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to earn up to $2 on a daily basis from the site PICOWORKERS. So if you haven't signed up on PICOWORKERS, I'm going to leave the link below this video. So once you click on the link, you're going to land on this page. So once you land on this page, you're going to click on the sign up button. So once you click on the sign up button, click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, it's going to take you to a new page. So once you get to the new page, you're going to enter your real name. So enter your real name, your full name, your real name, then enter your email address, then choose a password, then confirm the password. Then you're going to enter a nickname. So you can use any nickname, you can use your business name, you can use anything as your nickname. So I'm going to be entering 𝗧𝗘𝗟𝗘𝗚𝗥𝗧𝗔𝗡. Then your country, you're going to click on country. Then you're going to search for your country. You can type search for the country Nigeria. Then you're going to leave it as I'm a worker. So you can actually change it to I'm an employer, but all the same you can change it later. So just leave I am a worker, then agree to PICOWORKERS terms and conditions. So click on this, then click on the sign up button. Okay, so the nickname, they said nickname format is wrong, so you can only use a username. So you're gonna use so you can use 𝗧𝗘𝗟𝗧𝗏9 or anything, just use a username, but don't give space and no capital letters. Then so you're gonna enter your password again because it's actually refreshed. So I'm gonna enter my password again. I'm gonna click on the sign up button. So with that, I am done with creating my account. So I'm gonna go to the login page. So click on go to the login page. Once you click on go to the login page, you're gonna log into your account. So but before you log into your account, you have to verify your email address. So to verify your email address, you're gonna go to your mailbox. You're gonna see a message from PICOWORKERS. So you're gonna open up the message. So you're gonna see a link to activate your account. So you're gonna click on the link to verify your email address. So click on the link, and it's gonna tell you email has been verified. So as you see, so this is the community guideline. They say no VPN and other things. Just click on apply. Then click on I agree. Successfully. So I'm gonna go back and log into my account. So I'm gonna click on remember me. So when I log into my account, then so as you can see, I have earned $0 pending 0. So now you're gonna click on this, the up menu button. You can see switch to employer. So this is now we are in worker dashboard. So when you click on this, it's gonna switch to employer. So it's gonna switch to employer. So once you click on this, it's gonna show you switch to worker. So now you're an employer, you can post job right here, but you're gonna switch to worker because you want to complete tax and earn money. So as you can see, we have about 694 jobs waiting for us to complete. So you can see this actually showing 0.04. This one just to subscribe to your YouTube channel. As you can see, it's one more for sign up plus KYC. So the trick you're gonna use, you're gonna go to the search bar, and then you're gonna search for sign up. So once you search for sign up, search for sign up. Okay, so after searching for the keyword sign up, as you can see, there are high paying offers here, so you can actually scroll through them. As you can see, some paying $0.35, some paying $0.1, some paying 0.3, this one paying $1, 0.1, 0.2, 0.1, 0.25, 0.1, 0.14, 0.222, 0.210, 0.255. So as you can see, 0.2, 0.1, 0.17, 0.25. So as you can see, 0.1. So as you can see, most of them are just for you to sign up, because we actually search for sign up, so you're going to be signing up to them. But some of them actually require you to use your NIN or other things, but you can actually skip those ones, or you can do them for you to earn more. So as you can see, more for sign up plus KYC is going to pay 0.35. This one is just new sign up only for new users. This one is paying 0.03, 0.03. As you can see, 0.1, 0.2, 0.1, 0.2. So as you can see, so the actually tax that are paying, the tax are more. So just click on completing the tax, follow it. As you can see, Skillshare sign up. This is going to pay you $0.15. So let me click on Skillshare. So let me click on it to complete the task, so you can see how to complete the task. So to complete the task on PICOWORKERS, you're actually going to scroll down, and you're going to see what is expected from workers. So you're going to follow the instruction of the person that posted the job. So you can see what's expected from workers. So you're going to see, it says go to this link. So you're going to click on this link. So you can actually hold the link. It's going to be highlighted, and you're going to click on open right here. So before you do that, you're going to read the instructions from the beginning to the end, so you can know what the person actually wants you to do. So after reading the instructions of the person, the person says actually you should go to this link. So you're going to go to the link, and you say click on the website link from the pin that shows Skillshare versus. So you're going to do everything the person says you should do, just 1, 2, 3, just 3 steps. Then as you can see, required proof that tax was finished. So you're going to screenshot of Skillshare Premium successful email. Say must show email and date. The example, this link here simply means example of the kind of screenshot he wants you to send to him. So enter you send a link on the screenshot proof part. It simply means that's the kind of screenshot person needs. So you can actually open it to see. What the person actually talking about. So as you can see, this is the kind of email it needs. So this is it, Skillshare Premium, an email from Skillshare Premium. So this is it. This is the kind of email the person needs. So then once you are done, simply just click on choose file. This choose file, you're gonna choose file, and then you're gonna click on download and then upload the email you want. So that's it. Then click on submit proof to submit your proof. So that's how to complete tax. When you are done, you're actually gonna go back and complete other tax. So you're gonna complete other tax. So you're still gonna see highest paying tax. So if you do the calculation, you're gonna see most tax are paying 0.1. So among the highest paying tax, some are paying 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.25. So you can actually look for easy tax. Let's say you look for a tax that pays 0.1. So 0.1 tax, you're going to look for 10 different tax a day. So let's say you do 10 different tax, you're going to get $1. So let's say you did 20 tax, you're going to earn $2. So and if you do tax that are paying 0.2 times 10, you're going to be earning $2 that day. Even if you do 20 tax that day, you're going to earn $4 that day. So let's just say you complete tax of 0.1 multiplied by 10, so you're getting $1 a day. So $1 a day times 30 days, that's about $30. So at least the website, you can just use it to earn your first $30 online, or your first $10. Let me just say your first $10. So if you haven't made money online before and you want to actually make paper money, you can actually use this to gain your first $30. And they have, what I love about the site is their withdrawal method. They have different withdrawal methods. They have PayPal withdrawal method, they have Skrill, they have credit card, Visa card, different net teller and other withdrawal methods. So, and see, if you want to use PayPal to withdraw, I actually created a video that shows you how to create a PayPal account that can send and receive money in Nigeria. So you can actually go watch that video. So I'll be leaving the link to the PayPal video in the description of this video, so you can watch the PayPal video to learn how to open a PayPal account that can send and receive money in Nigeria. For those that are in Nigeria, but if you're in other countries, you are good to go. But for those that are in Nigeria, you can actually watch that video to learn how to open a PayPal account that can send and receive money in Nigeria. Because if you open a normal PayPal account, you can't receive money from anywhere in the world and in Nigeria. So that's why you have to watch that PayPal video if you want to earn money from the site. And I will advise you to go with this method because this site is actually a paying site. So in order to say maybe you don't have money, you don't have anything, so you can actually find something to do. You can actually complete tasks on this site and you're surely gonna get paid. So I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.